Welcome to social work, the ultimate helping profession. Social workers have the unique role of walking through life's most difficult situations with hurting people to offer them empathy, assistance, and hope. If this sounds like a field God could be calling you into, consider pursuing a degree in social work through Cedarville University. With high academic standards, dedicated faculty, hands-on field experiences, and a commitment to the Word of God, Cedarville's program is one of a kind. As a social work student, you will develop the knowledge and skills to serve diverse individuals, families, communities, or organizations. You will not be taught what to think about complex issues, but instead, how to think about them. You will be challenged to think deeply and critically about how to apply your biblical worldview to your coursework and social work practice. Field experiences are a highlight of the program and are designed to equip you for the work God calls you to. During your junior and senior years, you will complete 600 hours of field work through 2 supervised internships. These incredible hands-on learning experiences will give you a unique look into some of the many career options available. Cedarville's social work program is accredited by the Council on Social Work Education, which means that you will qualify for advanced standing at most graduate Master of Social Work programs and can even finish a master's degree in as short as a time as 1 year. Cedarville University's Department of Social Work is committed to training graduates who are prepared to take the skills of their profession into the world and be a light for Jesus Christ in dark places.